we are not going to waste time scrolling TikTok for hours. We are going to full hacker mode. Automate unlimited influencer scraping using Apify. Here we can see we are on Apify. Here can I scrap Instagram email. Now I search. So we need to scrap influencer from TikTok. We simply search TikTok here. First of all, we jump into Apify and search TikTok scrapper. This thing is insane. Now I try it again. I do it. So I visit Apify store and search TikTok. Here you can see here I can find bunch of TikTok scrapper. So simply we want to scrap TikTok influencer. So something is not showing that, so we simply use TikTok. Now we use TikTok anything like that is our feed. So I simply use a hashtag. So so now we use hashtag method to find influencer in any niche. We simply plug in fitness, then it can scrap fitness scraper. Here we need to type what we can scrap. We scrap football, and what is what thing I want to scrap. So simply I type football and I simply click on run start. Now the actor is running now, and boom, within minutes if I start pulling in profile like crazy, username, follower count, video star, bio link, and sometimes even email. But we are not stopping at just one keyword. We are go to next level. We stack 10 trending hashtag like fashion, skincare, makeup, funny. Here you can see I got bunch of influencer list. You can scrap in your behalf. But what do you do with all data? Simply we export it Google Sheet fully structured. We got 100,000 of influencers sort by follower, engagement, needs, everything. And here is the game changer. We connect Apify to make.com and set up an automation. When a new influencer get scrapped it automatically and send them a personal video, personal email. If you want to do that, I can show you how can you do that in automation. So simply you need to write comment for that. So I use now different actor. This is called TikTok scraper. Now we simply type any keyboard in our niche. So we simply type football, but you can type any football, anything like fashion, makeup. Now what is number of hashtag we can scrap? Here you can see number of influencer. We can scrap from any username, any bio. So we want to scrap videos of that person, and we can confirm manually if this is right or wrong. So what is the search query? Search query will be our email. Now I type football. Now we need to save and start it. Now click on save and start. Now our Apify is working now. It can do their work, and now we can do our work. Now this actor is running. I can't any pause anything like this video. So when it is export, we can export it and do our research with data. Here you can see we got bunch of influencers. At the cost of, here you can see how much the box, around 30 cent, 40 cent. We got 139 influencer list with 40 cent. Here you can see this is so cheaply and affordable. Now we can export this data in Google Sheet. Now we simply choose author and CSV and download. We can export all field video. So simply I select on all field and download it. You can sell it, you can monitor, you can collaborate with the brand to find help them with influencer list on their niches. This is a great way to opportunity for all of us. Now with our influencer, now I can open one influencer from Google Sheet. Here you can see this is a portable niche and this is right or anything wrong. This is the this have 39 million followers on TikTok and we can say this is our niche called football niche. This is the football influencer. It can create a football related video. This is a perfect fit our in our content. If you want to promote our football product, anything like shoe, sneaker, sock, anything, we can collaborate with and promote it. Anything like that. This is great opportunity for our us.